Jeanette's skin is flawless. And I'm just basically just going to clean up what is here, which is beauty. So I'm just going to enhance what she already got going on. So guys, Jeanette, she's very into her natural beauty. So I'm just going to enhance her with a little foundation, not too much because she doesn't need that much, just wherever needed. And then I'm going to give her this amazing lip color combo, and then I'm going to give her this blush to die for, and I'm going to give her this eye color pencil that is going to light the city up. You guys just wait and see. Good?
Well, I want to go to Hawaii. Yeah, but I would love to go there. I've always wanted to go there.
So that'll be nice that you can take some of your beauty in the city there for sure.
I like to sit on the beach without the water. You know, I like to sit on the beach and I like to grasp the sun. Sun feels good. I love the sun. You want to be honest? I don't. Sometimes.
Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
If I'm going out somewhere special, here for church, I'll put on a little something. Eyes, lips, and brows. Eyes, lips, and brows. I don't use blushes that much, so I really don't like too much, if you know what I mean.
You guys see how I just even out now? So I'm getting ready to apply Jeanette's blush, and the blush of choice today is Pink Mango. Look at this color. Gorgeous. And I'm going to show you how to apply it. It's very pigmented, guys, so, you know, it definitely...
It makes that cheekbone pop.
My face is going to open up, especially with correct placement. You know, the configurements of your face and the way that your cheeks are placed in your face and where you place the blush and you do it correctly to where it goes with the alignment of your cheeks, you're going to look like, where did all the time go? If you do it correctly. And Jeanette, you say you don't really use blush that much? Really? Oh man, wait till you see this blush. So guys, I'm about to go in with this highlighter stick called Millennium, which I love. And it's gonna give the glow. You know, it has a little glitter in it, not a lot, but enough so you can see. And I'm also taking that blush that I just used, and I'm gonna sweep it over her lid. I did the Millennium first, a Millennium stick, and this is another stick, and this is beige, right? And I'm just very little. I just went over the Millennium, so I double stacked the highlight with all of her cheeks. So, temple, cheek, smile, with all of her cheeks.
Very good.
Go to the whole contour. Remember, this is like everyday look, like, you know, soft, natural, outdoor. Oh God! All right, so I was coming home from work, a long day of work in the city. I was over by like 4:30, and there was this guy standing there. He had this huge, massive boa constrictor. I know, around his neck, and then he just walked up to me and he goes, "Do you mind holding my snake while I go use the bathroom?" Jeanette, you know, so I rightfully declined him. Yeah, so that was crazy.
Probably.
I don't know what was going on, but
Anaconda.
yeah, I was not obliging.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, so I thought that was pretty interesting.
Yeah, that is like
Only in New York, boy. Now I'm going to combo that lip. And for this beautiful lip combo, I used the Corset lip combo, of course, Beauty in the City. You know, got that lip pumped up. And then I got some of this lip oil for you guys, of course, too, clear. And you can put this on anything that you have at home. Just to hype it up, amp it up.
finally nice full lips.
And then I use the highlights, of course. I'll double them up. The first one was Millennium, of course, Beauty in the City. And then the second one that I paired with it on top of it is the beige lights.
Beautiful.
And most people wouldn't do this, but I'm Picasso, I do it. So,
Yes.
and it's gonna work, okay? So you see the comparison? Totally two different,
Right.
you know? But when I seen it, I knew that it'll blend when I see your complexion. And remember, I'll show you guys one more time. See how pigmented this is, guys? But look how it reads on her face. You can barely see it. You understand? Because you have to know where to move it.
I am really impressed. And this, all of this is Beauty in the City.
That's right.
Yes.
A lot of products, you gotta work it. You know, you gotta
And don't forget vegan.
vegan,
That's
hyperallergenic,
yes.
keep on going.
Okay. This crazy New York story is when I lived in New York, downtown New York, I started working at this barber shop. In this barber shop, I had no clue of anything. I just knew what I knew and that was it. So I became friends with a bunch of guys. They introduced me to the underground clubs. Well, when they did that, I lost my mind. I could not stay out of the club. I had just gotten married, and guys that I hung out with, I didn't have to worry about other guys because they all protected me. They introduced me to a lot of different things. That's my life right there with those friends that I had.
Oh, wow.
The most fun. And sometimes I miss it, sometimes I think about it, but I have to stay where I am now, or otherwise I might burn in hell. About it all the time. I still talk to those same friends. Everybody has moved on and done different things, but I knew there was a time that I had to bail. I look so beautiful here. I do. I really, really do. I was wondering if I could do this on my own, myself.
Practice. I tell all of my clients, all of my students when I teach, practice, 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 practice. Because once you get the gist of it, you're not gonna unsee it, how to do it. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
It's not like I can't unlearn myself now how to apply this blush to my face. You know, I can't unlearn to myself how to mix these foundations to get my perfect one. You know? So once you get the logistics down, like the primary things to do, good to go.
Oh my God, this is looking